Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dance yeah, man.
Just got some breaking news, so we are rushing to see how true it is. Let's see.
They never know how that is them come on.
Breaking news. What happened? I stand on place, you know. You know, place the fire. And I stand back to think over. You were here? You were here? You can talk on live?
No, some of guys that's 100 right now.
No, that's alright. You can do it?
Right
You there?
station.
You there? You there? Yeah? You there? What happened?
No.
Good details.
Good details.
Well, but evidence say the car get out of control and still get out of control for him or her.
That man has to come fast. So I think that's a look at that big car that you know when you go
What happened?
We're missing drive out from down there saying on us.
So it's alright. So we drive out from Foreshore Road. Foreshore Road, right?
Power.
So hold on.
You're on TV, Master, man. Master one, the TV.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
You know, every time some from a politics meeting thing go on a them thing happen some of the time. You see me I say, my brother and my sister wanna be careful on no out there. You ever hear a thing say when you're too happy? You ever hear that thing before? The last time me see a video come out where a bus driver left him wheel and the wheel run him down. 3 wheel it gone with and left the 4th one and run back at him. People are dead would laugh. You see me I say? Now see, this is one I run in at the gas station. Suppose it explode. Now, at Portland, you know, at the Portland by-election, this one I look pan, you know. You see me I say too, you know? And this are the result, you know. I don't know if I drinking or what. Nobody can just go pint or nothing. You see me I say, but all me I say, you be careful. You see me I say, you see me, I one life, big brothers and sisters. You do, be careful, alright? Anyways, my people, if you don't like how I bring this one here to you, don't know, just click the subscribe button. I mean me there. See what I say? Leave in the comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. No big up, you know.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?